Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Binance Pay ID. So sometimes when you're going to get some payments via crypto, they ask you a payment ID, and mostly they ask you the payment ID for Binance. So I'm going to show you how you can get a payment ID in just simple clicks. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simple Crypto. With that said, let's straight dive into the video. So once you're on Binance, you come straight on more, then you go straight back up to pay, then you click it. So this is Pay ID from Binance Pay. You can send and receive and spend crypto, of course, using Binance Pay. So you just come here. When you click in it, automatically you will copy, or maybe you can come here, highlight it and copy it like this. So it depends which one that you want. So after that, you will take it where you want it to be and they pay you automatically. Your money will come straight on your wallet. So hope you have understood everything. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simple Crypto. We make videos every day. Bye for today. Good luck.